Should you book your cruise now or wait for Black Friday? Let's talk about it. Hey y'all, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Tiffany with TP's Travels, and you probably have noticed the Black Friday season has already started. Black Friday is no longer just Black Friday anymore. We have preview sales going from now all the way to Black Friday, and then you can still continue to see sales going into Cyber Monday. Now, also, I want to encourage you to continue looking for sales on Travel Tuesday, which is the Tuesday after Thanksgiving. So you'll continue to see sales from now all the way up until Travel Tuesday. So definitely keep an eye out on everything. But should you book a cruise now, or should you wait it out and see if there's going to be any better deals? Let's talk about it. Now, I am sitting here at my computer, and I went ahead and pulled up a few of the cruise lines here just to see what they're offering right now. So the first one here is Royal Caribbean, and Royal Caribbean is offering up to $900 off. And you'll see that almost all of the cruise lines, a lot of these websites are going to have these little tickers right here. I've noticed that these tickers are not always accurate. Like it says that this sale up to $900 off is going to end in 7 hours, according to from the time that I am recording this video right now. And I've noticed that it usually will continue on, or the sale will change. Maybe it'll drop just a little bit, but I would not worry too much about this ticker, especially going in through the Black Friday season. It's going to continue. They're going to continue to offer some sales right now. Always make sure that you click on the Shop Now button, because if you scroll down through here, you're not going to get, these are not going to be part of the Black Friday sale. So they are going to be select cruises, select cabins. So always just click the Shop Now on any of the websites that you're on. Now, I've received several emails already from Royal Caribbean, and so I definitely encourage you to sign up for the email list on any cruise line that you are currently looking at. Because like I said, they will send you emails. They will give you first alerts so that you can know when they are dropping prices, so you know what to look for. And if you are in the planning mode right now for your cruise, my Ultimate Cruise Planner will be 50% off on Black Friday. And I do have a VIP wait list that you can sign up for. So I will send you that first alert. And also for signing up on that VIP waiting list, you'll receive a little freebie as well. But I am offering that full 50%. It is not up to 50% off. So if you are planning your cruise, this is a great thing to have right now. Go ahead and sign up on this wait list, and I will email you on Black Friday. Now let's take a look here at Carnival. Carnival is offering $1,000 up to $1,000 per room, and then $50 onboard credit. And then once again, shop this deal right here. Princess Cruises up to 50% off right now, and then Norwegian, $1,000 onboard credit, which is actually up to, and then up to 50% off on all cruises as well. And then we've got Celebrity Cruises up to 75% off. Last Black Friday, I noticed that Celebrity Cruises seemed like they were offering some of the better deals. Leave me a comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts on who you think offers some of the better cruise deals during Black Friday. But I believe Celebrity was also up there and offering some of the better deals. And the last one I want to show you here is MSC. They don't really have a whole lot on their website right now. They're just showing the free balcony upgrade. But you can always look back and forth on any of these sites to do any kind of comparison, especially if you like to go on different cruise lines. But if you only have one cruise line and you're loyal to, like if you're loyal to Royal or anything like that, and you only have one cruise line to look at, then hey, that saves you a lot of trouble from having to flip back and forth. Now, one thing that I like to do when I am traveling is I do like to go to Expedia.com. So Expedia does have cruises, and if you click on the cruises here, you can still see that they are going to still offer you up to 75% off the second guest. So this is Celebrity right here. So they're still going to offer you some of those same prices. And then you do have a travel assistant that you can talk to as well when you are booking through Expedia. I just like to book through Expedia whenever I am flying or staying in a hotel, because I like to kind of bundle everything, and I do get bundle discounts and bundle rates. So it does kind of save me a little bit of money. I mostly see it more over on the hotel side or something like that. But hey, it saves me a little bit of money when I bundle my cruise and my hotel, or my cruise and my airfare coming over here to Expedia. So that's a thought for you. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check that out. But definitely check out cruisedirect.com. Now, if you're like me and you like to kind of look around at a bunch of different websites and see what their specials are and their deals are, go to cruisedirect.com. It really saves you so much trouble because as you see right here, we've got Black Friday deals. So we can just go ahead and click on that. And when we do, we see all the Black Friday deals. So we have all the Black Friday deals right here. We don't even have to worry about going to all the different websites. So Royal Caribbean, they're still showing up to 60% off. If we click over here, let's take a look at MSC. They weren't showing much. So right here, MSC cruises starting at $199. So you're going to see what is available right now when you're clicking on any of these. We'll go ahead and click on one of them and kind of take a look at what it looks like. So when you're scrolling through, you're going to see that low price right here. It is including taxes. And then right here, this is what I love right here, best price guarantee. So if you are going to any of these other websites like cheapcruises.com, any other website other than the cruise line's website, and you found a cheaper price, just come over here to Cruise Direct and they're going to make sure that you get that best price. They're going to match that price for you. So you're guaranteed to get that low price. Now, should I book my cruise now during the Black Friday season? Or should I wait till January? Now, January is when the wave season starts, and that's when a lot of people are booking their travels. A lot of flights, hotels, cruises, travel agents are busy during this time. The wave season runs from January to March. Now, Black Friday season pretty much is only a week. It used to be just a day, but it's really about a week now. So it's a lot shorter time span in Black Friday, and it's also on select cabins, select cruise ships. Everything is a little bit more limited when it comes to Black Friday compared to when you are looking at the wave season. You're going to get a wider variety of discounts, but if you're ready to book now, and you just want to go ahead and put that deposit, you don't have to pay the whole thing in full. Go ahead and book now if you found a cruise deal that you really liked, and then come January or February, if that cruise deal is lower, then some cruise lines will go ahead and honor that lower price. So they'll just go ahead and fix that for you and you don't have to worry about it. If they haven't, then you can call them and get that lower price if you have not paid in full yet. So that is an option, and that is something that we did last year. We went ahead and purchased during Black Friday, and we didn't get a lower price, but we got a free cabin upgrade when we found some different deals in February. So keep an eye out, definitely. If you book now, keep an eye out in January, February, and March for some of those cruise deals to change a little bit. Once again, stay on their email list just in case you forget, and you'll get alerted whenever any cruise deals have dropped as well. Now, before I go, one last thing I want to always remind you is to purchase travel insurance. I know that we have heard several different things in the news recently of people, missing their cruise ship, and it's unfortunate. It really is, but we need to purchase travel insurance because that will really help if anything were to happen and we don't make it to our cruise on time, our luggage gets lost, something like that were to happen. So please make sure that you purchase travel insurance. It's not that expensive. I'll even leave in the description below a little travel insurance comparison so that you can see how much it's going to cost you. I promise it doesn't cost that much, but check it out. It is definitely worth it. So let me know, what kind of cruise are you looking for this Black Friday season, and where are you cruising to in 2026? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.